Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm recording this little behind the scenes on my little action camera. So let me turn you around so you can see my scene. So today is all about keeping things simple. I'm just in my garage. I've got a backdrop against my garage door. You could just have a simple piece of paper, or you could have a sheet or something, or even if you've just got a plain white wall. I just have three simple pears. I've just got them on an old timber stool, but you could have them on anything, a bowl, a plate, a fruit bowl, a timber cutting board, anything like that. So I have got my Neewer Z3 flash, and I've just got it propped up on a box on top of another box. And I have got my camera on a tripod with my Neewer trigger. And I've also got, and this is just a piece of white foam core, just on a couple of little clips, just to bounce the light from my flash over to my board so that my images are fairly well lit. So I'm on channel 1, I'm on group A on both my flash and my trigger. I'm on 1/64th power. I've got my 50mm prime lens, but you could have whatever lens you like, and I'm on f4. So let's just have a little look at the shots that I was getting behind the camera. And as you can see, lovely, lovely and moody. Some were a bit bright, some were a bit dark. So I was just pottering around until I got that shot. So my settings there, ISO 100, I'm on f4 as I said before, and my shutter speed is 1/125 to fire the flash. So I'm just going to take another shot so you can see it all in action. And that's pretty much it. So just keep, three simple things. You could have 3 teacups, 3 apples, 3 pears, 3 anything. You could have 3 flowers. It's just a matter of keeping things super, super simple. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And just remember, if you don't have a flash, you can use constant light or even window light. Use what you have. You don't have to go out and buy a whole heap of gear to keep still life simple. Shoot with what you have. Keep it simple. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, found it helpful, and I'd love to see if you've tried it. Drop a comment below, let me know, and I'd love to see your images. So tag it, keep it simple. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.